Updated to iOS 18.5? Here are 6 things you must do next to stay secure and optimized. First, restart your iPhone to finalize background updates and clear temporary files. Second, check for app updates in the App Store and update critical apps now. Third, review your privacy settings, location, photos, and microphone permissions. Enable passkeys and advanced tracking protections to improve account security. Fifth, back up to iCloud or your computer to secure your data right away. Sixth, customize new widgets and lock screen controls for faster access. Bonus tip, run a quick battery health check and optimize background activity. If you find bugs, report them through settings feedback so Apple can address issues quickly. Keep automatic updates enabled so you receive incremental fixes and security patches. Those are the 6 must-dos after updating to iOS 18.5. Do them now to stay safe and efficient. Like for more iPhone tips and subscribe for quick, practical tech guides.